Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see JEE Main Maths question. Look at the question. Let A be 3 cross 3 matrix. Then determination of adjoint 24A is equal to determination of adjoint 3 adjoint 2A. Then square of determination of A is what? What is the value? It is a year 2022 question. Okay. For solving this, we need to know three properties. One is adjoint CA means if you take C out from adjoint, C power n minus 1 adjoint A. This is one. Second is adjoint A means A square. Third is taking out from determination K adjoint A. If you want to take out from the determination of K, K power n adjoint A. N is order of the matrix. Okay. This 24, if you take out from adjoint, 24 squared adjoint A. Okay, then 24 square taken out from determination, 24 square cube. So 24 square cube adjoint A. Then adjoint A will be A square. So it is 24 power 6 A square. Left hand side solved. Then here, this 2 taken out from here. 2 square, because 2 power 3 minus 1. So adjoint 3 times 2 power n minus 1, 2 square. What will be 3 times 4? So it will be 12. I reduce one step. This will be 12. Then adjoint A. Then this 12 I am taking out. What will happen? 12 squared adjoint A. This 12 square still in the determination. When you take out from the determination, it will be cube. 12 squared power 3 is 12 power 6. This adjoint A will become A squared. Then adjoint A squared will become 12 power 6 A power 4. So 24 power 6 is equal to 12 power 6 A power 4. Copy down until now. Then 24 power 6, 12 power 6 is equal to A power 4, A square, A square. So it is 2 power 6. It is nothing but 64. Okay. Just these three rules. If you know that, we can solve all these sums. Copy it down until now.